Welcome to Southeast Queensland UFO Watch. If you want to help us capture videos of UFOs, UAPs, please watch our 24/7 live stream of the sky here in Southeast Queensland. Our current sensor system consists of a fixed mount GPS sensor, temperature and humidity sensor, an atmospheric pressure sensor, and a spectrum analyzer tuned to 1.6 GHz. This sensor data live stream is best viewed using either a dual monitor computer, a computer or smart TV and a tablet, or a computer or smart TV and a phone. The GPS may prove to be a valuable sensor for detecting the presence of a UFO. It has been reported that UFOs affect GPS sensors, causing them to send incorrect values. You may have heard about this anomaly in programs like The Secrets of Skinwalker Ranch, where they affect the reported position of their drones. Let me explain how to use this sensor. First off, I will explain the data panel down the left-hand side. The latitude and longitude specifies the GPS location. This value isn't accurate because we have offset these for privacy reasons. The speed should be close to 0 as the GPS is stationary. The course is the direction the GPS is facing. The values are between 0 and 360 degrees. 0 is north. Current date and time from the satellite. HDOP stands for Horizontal Dilution of Precision. Values less than 2 means excellent accuracy. Less than 1 is best accuracy. This shows the number of satellites that the sensor is connected to. Now, let's move over to the plot panel. This is the one to watch for anomalies. The dot near the center is the GPS position. If there is any sudden movement, it might be an indication of a UFO in the vicinity. There will be a small amount of drift from center. This is normal, but if the dot suddenly moves, say, outside of the 4 center squares, then something has been detected. Next, we will look at the temperature and humidity sensor. The yellow line is temperature, and green is humidity. These are both plotted over a time period of 1 hour. The sample rate, or the rate at which the sensor is read, is every 5 seconds. The current temperature and humidity are displayed here. And here. Likewise, the atmospheric pressure sensor is also plotted over a 1-hour period. The sample rate, or rate at which the sensor is read, is also every 5 seconds. The current pressure is shown here. The spectrum analyzer is tuned to 1.6 GHz. It has also been reported that strange things happen at this frequency. Some technologies, such as satellites, use frequencies around 1.6, so these will show up on the display. What you will need to look for is abnormal behavior, such as a rise across the floor, or a spike that drifts left or right. The waterfall display on the spectrum analyzer is a visual representation of frequency over time. It shows how the signal's spectrum changes over time. Well, that concludes our sensor tutorial. I hope this guide has helped you understand how to effectively utilize the sensors for detecting anomalies. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Let's go watch the sky.